Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you how you can place multiple video in a single screen or multiple images in a single frame. Let's start our video. Before to start my video, I request you to subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Videos. Select the dimension. First of all, you need the background. For the background, click on animate and I will select crumbled. mm, from the photos. I will select this one. Reduce its transparency like this. And now I go to select the videos. Um, um, these are all related to a single idea. I have selected the videos related to innovative business ideas. Set this one here. Paste this one here. The fifth one is here. Now I have make its corner rounded. In similar way, I make the corner round all of the four videos and the left the fifth one. Or if you want to, you can also round the corner of the fifth one. Now I will give the borders. Change the color. I will use this color. Set the border weight up to 14. Color. It's up to 17 like this. Now I have to reduce the time and click on three dots. Here is a like a hide element timing when like this. I will show you how you can see the timing. Click on three dots, show element timing. The first one like this, and go to animate and use ink or brush style. Now click on second image and animate, sketch. Come to the third image, use a gradient. Now the third one, and I have selected already gradient, and the fourth one, animate, digital. Now the time to animate the fifth one, and we animate it like a stomp. We will give it the music, audio. You can use your audio, or you can search from the. It is my suggestion, always use the audio from the YouTube library. I have selected uh, from the YouTube library. This is a first idea in which you show one by one. If you want to show the all videos after playing at the same place, so go to element and put this time to the up to the end of the scene. Finally, if you like this video, kindly share my videos and subscribe. That's this reminder.